Want to make your text pop by placing it directly behind your subject in CapCut PC, adding that extra layer of professional polish. Let's dive into how to achieve this effect first. Import your video clip and the text you want to use into CapCut PC's media bin. Drag your main video clip onto the main track on the timeline. Next, drag your generated text onto a track positioned above your video clip. On the timeline, you'll see the text overlaying your footage. Now, select the text layer on the timeline in the upper right-hand panel. Locate the mask option, click on it. Choose the circle mask. This will create a circular cutout where your video will be visible through the text. With the circle mask still selected, adjust the size and position of the circle to precisely fit around your subject. You can drag the edges to resize and click and drag the center to move it. The key to making the text appear behind the person is careful mask placement. Now, select your original video clip on the lower track. Go back to the mask options for this video clip. Select the circle mask again. This time, adjust the size and position of this second circle mask to perfectly match the first circle mask you created on the text layer. The goal is to create an identical cutout, with both masks perfectly aligned. Now drag the text layer on the timeline to a position below your original video clip. And there you have it. Your text now appears strategically placed behind your subject, adding incredible depth and a professional finish to your video. Experiment with different fonts and mask shapes to elevate your storytelling even further.